Hey everybody, this is Anita at Stitchin Heaven, and today I have another gorgeous quilt by Charisma Horton. This one is called Variety Show, and I promise you, you will not get bored sewing this quilt. This uses traditional piecing, foundation paper piecing, and you're also going to use some templates along the way. So if you love a sampler style quilt, or you're just getting into quilting and wanting to kind of learn a little bit of everything, this is the perfect quilt for you, okay? This is going to be finishing at an 84-inch square, so it's a nice size quilt, okay? And her directions are super detailed with pictures, so I think anybody can tackle this quilt if you're a little bit courageous, okay? So you can sign up on our website at www.stitchinheaven.com, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, guys.